Hey y'all, welcome back and a happy new year to you. Now that we've taken some time off, I think it's good and well timed that we start a project that I've been wanting to do since pretty much since we moved here. This little shed right here is really only for random storage and lawn care stuff, but it's got a lot of empty space that I think could be better utilized as, I don't know, my RC workshop and craft room dilly thingy-ish. So I think we should tear all the stuff out, insulate it, turn it into my workshop, and I think it'd be pretty good. All of this lawn care here, and unfortunately, there's a giant hole in the roof right there. Let's get all this cleared out. Here we go. I think we're at a pretty good spot. Just need to, those are crazy heavy. They're covered in cobwebs. They're ceramic, but I need to spray for more spiders. Black widows are pretty prevalent out here. This is that giant hole we got from a tree falling in there. But all this pegboard up here will be nice for tools. And I clear all this out, sweep it up, move my table in. Alrighty, while that dries, let's go to Home Depot.